Hi everyone, welcome to another discussion, and today we are going to discuss about e to the power I theta, and it is cos theta plus I sin theta. But why? We need to understand like how do we get e to the power I theta. One method is very simple, like you expand all of these using Taylor series and like you will obtain this relation. But how come sin theta and cos theta end up to e? So we are going to discover that. First of all, cos theta plus I sin theta is a complex number and it's represented in a complex plane by complex number whose magnitude is 1 and this angle is theta. This point is represented as cos theta plus I sin theta. After this relation is derived, we are like able to perform a large number of computation, and one of which is rotation of vectors, and it's a very interesting topic in advanced mechanics, and like please feel free to dive into it. Anyhow, today we are going to discuss why we obtain this relation. So let's see. F theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. Let's differentiate this once. So we see that this is actually equal to I times f theta. But we don't want this I. So what we are going to do is we are again going to differentiate it. Now what is this relation that we have obtained? And have we seen this somewhere? The answer is yes, absolutely. So if you remember, we have studied this equation in circular motion, where this equation represents that the acceleration of any particle in a circle is actually towards the direction opposite to the direction of position vector. Now we are going to rewrite this equation in terms of y. Now this is a linear differential equation of order 2, and the way we solve this is by substituting or by trying a solution. That is, we will try y is equal to e to the power mx. When we substitute it in the equation, we get m square plus 1 into e to the power mx equal to 0 for all x. This cannot be 0, so this has to be 0, which implies m is equal to plus minus I. After this, what we do is we write this as a linear combination of both the roots like this, e to the power minus ix plus b e to the power ix. Now again, we are going to move back to our original equation, and what we are going to do is we are going to write f theta is equal to a to the power minus I theta plus b to the power I theta also is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So we have obtained till here. This is how E comes into the picture. And what we are going to do is we are going to substitute the value of theta equal to 0. That is, we'll get a plus b equal to 1. And then again we are going to differentiate this and again substitute 0. That is, f dash theta is equal to minus IA and we are going to obtain b minus a equal to 1 using equation 1 and equation 2. We claim that b equal to 1, a equal to 0, and hence cos theta plus I sin theta equal to e to the power I theta. This is one way to prove it. There are several different ways. You can of course Google anytime and see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.